Mrs. Rosaline, Nirmala, Department of Physical Science, Dr. SNS College of Education. In this video, we are going to see about the paper assessment for learning. One of the model is Constructivist approach model. So this is also one of the assessment technique. So what is this model? So it may be asked in your 5 mark questions. So constructivism is nothing but we are constructing a concept. So in psychology you have seen the word concept formation. Seen the word concept formation. Concept formation is nothing but we are forming a certain concept accurately based on the features. So this method is based on the concept formation. How we are constructing a concept? It is based on the sensation and perception. So two terms is involving. One is sensation, another one is perception. Sensation is nothing but we are gaining the knowledge through sense organ. We are gaining the knowledge through the sense organ and giving the correct interpretation meaning, that is called as perception. So two terms is mainly involved here, sensation as well as the perception. It is purely student-centered approach. Previous model, the teacher is delivering the content. Based on the delivering of the content, students are giving the output. Here, they are constructing, they are framing their own creative idea also. So the teacher is delivering the content. So based on their previous experience which they gained through their sensation, they are giving the correct meaning of this one. So this method is purely based on the learner center. So as you all know that how we are, suppose for example in a classroom situation you are giving fruits and as well as vegetables together in a basket. So how the children are segregating? So previously they know the features of vegetables and features of the fruits. So based on that they are segregating fruits and segregating the vegetables separately. So likewise here also we are delivering the content. So based on the content, students also constructing the previous. For that purpose only we are using the assessment technique also, project method, assignment method, whatever the technique is based on, that is centered, student centered techniques we are assigning. So one of the method is also project and also seminar also we can consider. So when you assign the seminar to the students, how they are delivering the content, so you frame their own criteria and check whether they follow the seminar, that is correctly, whether they are delivering the content properly, how they are presenting, whether whatever the resources they are using. So constructivist approach is purely student-centered approach. So here there is advantages also. So here we are boosting the creativity of the children, so they are construct and they have their own creativity and they are getting the outcome. So based on the outcome we are assessing the children also. So here we are also suppressing the root memory. So we used to say that no, we ask the children to memorize. So when you assign the student-centered method, they have their own memory power and they have their, because they are getting their direct experience when they are doing. So this is also one of the advantages also. Then actively participating. So when you are assigning the group work also, certain skills also will be developed. Cooperation, leadership skills and their creativity. So everything will be improved through this method also. There are some disadvantages also. So when you assign, the children cannot, all the children cannot do it. Some of them is not in a mood, they have their slow learners also. So if they cannot catch that point also sometimes. So even though this method is got a main advantages, some disadvantages also. It takes times also, time consuming, and also we need a particular resources also. So when you are assigning the project assignment, we need particular resources. We have to divide the students into group wise, and we have to assign a certain task also. So the teachers cannot finish within the time also. So this constructivist approach is mainly a student centered. They themselves construct. So based on whatever the teacher delivering the content, plus their sensation, they are giving the correct interpretation of the meaningful one. So based on that, we are assigning the children. Thank you.